Where to place a carbon monoxide detector at home? Carbon monoxide detector is a part of full home security system. Carbon monoxide is the topmost cause of poisoning death in the United States. There are more than 20,000 people who are sent to emergency room every year. Carbon monoxide is a highly poisonous gas produced when the fuels are incompletely burned. It can happen in kitchen appliances such as cookers, oven, coal, and boilers, which are fitted incorrectly. It's important that you place them strategically. At least one carbon monoxide detector must be installed. Now, let's move on where to place a carbon monoxide detector at your home. You can place them in kitchen. Carbon monoxide detector is must in kitchen because we use many kitchen appliances such as cookers, ovens, boilers which are produce COs and spew carbon monoxide. You can place them in basement. CO detector must be installed in basement. Basement is closed from outside. Living room area. It is essential to establish a carbon monoxide detector right outside or inside the bedroom or sleeping area. Stay safe, stay happy, and visit our site reviewcast.com.